Hello, my loveliest viewers. I missed you so much. All of this, filming, editing, talking, and connecting, is my heart's passion that's been under a process of transformation, almost like resting in a cocoon before finally unfolding into the wide wings of a butterfly. My last vlog was filmed back in early March, when the ground was still covered in snow, and now nature is at its peak. The summer solstice has just passed, and we are welcoming July, the warmest month in Lithuania. I want to share, tell, and show so much. But let's get to the beginning, when the seasons were just beginning to change. This entire spring, and actually up until now, has been a time of bringing my body, mind, and spirit back into alignment. Since in the advanced spiritual teachings I was attending, I received too much energy my organism was capable to fully integrate. So I consciously withdrew from everything and followed my own intuition of what is best for me right now. And that meant plenty of rest, a lot of inner work, and strengthening my body and psyche, focusing on the present moment and quieting the endless stream of thoughts became the greatest support during this period that was sometimes incredibly challenging, confusing, and at moments even left me wondering whether I still knew how to be human. Those cold and peaceful spring days were also perfect for spending more time painting, which unexpectedly led to a wonderful new business friendship. I offered my postcards and bookmarks to a newly opened bookstore in a nearby town I've shown several times in these vlogs before, and they happily welcomed them. A lot of evenings I spent on the couch, packing my artwork and adding a little crystal to each piece. And now my creative energy, together with the quiet blessing of light, gets to accompany cozy books and reach even more hearts. And then, to escape the prolonged winter for a little while, we spent a few weeks in Portugal, and by the time we returned, Lithuania had awakened from her frosty sleep already. Nature became bursting with life. Days filled up with activity, and everything carried the fresh energy of a new season. It was time to come alive again. I've also been enjoying a beautiful balance of everyday life, allowing myself to act, create, wonder, connect with others, while at the same time protecting my boundaries and making sure there's always time to simply gaze into the distance, listen to my breath, and feel grateful for being alive, for our beautiful nature home, beautiful relationship with husband, and a life of light and respect we are creating together. I am grateful for this one precious chapter in my soul's eternal journey, a fleeting moment among countless lifetimes and stories I've already walked through. Spring is so beautiful. It's so gentle, delicate here in Lithuania. Sometimes it even seems shy, but at the same time it's so ancient, so deep, so nurturing, so loving, so beautiful. And I'm so happy that I get to realize this more and more with time. That I deepen this connection with nature when it seems that it's already deep, but new layers of it unfold. It's just more than perfect conditions to embody all of these gardening cravings, this longing for Mother Nature. Oh, so nicely warm and cozy. Look, we already have many salads and tomatoes. Oh gosh, I just see that ants are going crazy this year. I've been quite absent from YouTube recently, as you might noticed, because I don't want to do anything by force anymore, and I don't want to have even the tiniest energy of greed, of fear, of some fake illusions or intentions that may not serve the highest love and good of my own development and of others as well, because everything what we do is like energetical contribution to what world we want to see. And I want to live in a world that is created from true inspiration, from real seekings born in selfless heart that is aware that everything is already within. So I decided that it's better to do less and to step, forward when I really feel like it. I even started an online course, first ever I've done many webinars and little lectures, but never it was like wait, I will change the sun settings. But it is the first time that I am doing a paid live course ongoing, in the moment, and that people connect every Thursday now, all May. And today we have a second lecture now. So it's quite scary for me, but also feels very good. And why I'm talking about this course is because its topic is the freedom of the heart. After all events of this spring, after meeting my spiritual teacher who came in Lithuania, I felt so grounded with him, so much back into my heart, so much back into the present moment, that I didn't want to release this feeling. I felt that it is like a guiding star, so true. So I wanted to anchor it even more, to research it much more, and to share it with the world. As I mentioned before, The foundation of my online course was led during an extraordinary spiritual event that I'd love to share a small glimpse of with you. Even before it began, we had already deepened our dedication, perseverance, and unity as a team by working late into the night to prepare a completely new venue, the secret fire duni, and the surrounding grounds. A place that had only just been built needed to be transformed into a welcoming sanctuary for the guru and his students from all over the world. And somehow, in the very last moments, we truly managed to create one. What followed is difficult to put into words. It felt like experiencing pure love and divinity here on earth. Alongside moments of joy, dancing, laughter, and deep contemplation, those almost 3 weeks in the presence of a light-filled master planted seeds of grounding and profound inner transformation within me. That everything stems from one indivisible source. That even though we experience this world of duality, our attention and self-identity should live in the always full, never born, and never dying ocean of life. And then the belief that something greater or better or worse exists beyond this present moment is simply an illusion of the ego, a mind that has forgotten its eternity. I received some nice compliments about my meditations and courses, but did it make me happier or more whole? No. And then a few weeks ago, I had a panic attack, but did it make me lesser or unhappy? Also no. Everything that troubles us, whether we perceive it as good or bad, can be dissolved into oneness. Instead of constantly thinking about how to live, I finally began to truly live. I've come to realize that the true meaning of life is found in every single moment and in how much love and light we choose to unfold within it. Oh my god, guys, it's a rabbit invasion. Every day I see rabbits in our house, in our garden. And this time it's so big. Look, look. Oh my god, it's right here. I hope he's not planning to take a feast in my garden, in my greenhouse, I mean. And you know what? Rabbit is my second spirit animal. So it's like 2 in 1. I'm worried about my veggies, but I'm also taking it as a sign that my spirit animal is visiting me quite often these days. garden work to do. Let's go and plant my onions. Ooh, 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 ooh. Isn't that a weird cuckoo? Like not a completely regular one. So nice to touch the soil. It's so good to spend some time like this with the earth. I thought that I am so tired before going out. I've been working for many hours in front of the computer, editing a meditation I recorded. But this tending the garden simply recovered me in minutes. Before having my own garden, I didn't know that. I didn't know that I like it and that it has such a big impact. It instantly grounds and makes me calmer, and also release into the earth everything what no longer serves. It just melts it away. Thank you, earth. And grow my little onions. Healthy and happy. Another reason why I've been spending more time at my computer lately is that my daily life has been unexpectedly enriched by a job that found me out of the blue on its own, translating a book. It's an esoteric and quite a mind-blowing book about the lives of Jesus and his loved ones, channeled through the author. For me, it's far more than translation. It's a meditation, a beautiful collaboration with higher realms, immersed in wisdom that gently expands both my heart and my mind. It's also the perfect opportunity to practice everything I talked about just earlier, being fully present, letting go of expectations, surrendering, and listening with great care. Whenever I translate from my heart, I begin to sense what the author truly intended to express, as if I could feel the deeper meaning behind the words. And then the translation simply flows. I've never felt more aligned with my path. My soul is filled with gratitude and with an ever-deepening devotion to spirit, to goodness, and to the awakening of humanity. Hey, loves! I've come to the blueberry forest, as I call it. Just parked the car here in this wilderness. It's been a long time since I've been here. It's been a very rainy week, actually, and a very rainy beginning of the summer and first half of June. I'm even risking now by coming here because it's raining every other minute. And before I went out, it just poured down very strongly. And my husband said that I'm crazy, that I'm going out now. But I really wanted to go and spend some alone time in nature because I feel quite tired today. And it's not only because of the rain, but also because yesterday I had a very active day. And I want to share one thing with you. In this period of regrounding myself and sort of integrating everything that I learned during this year, I guess, I really started implementing more and more of my ideas. I had an idea for, I guess, maybe even many years now. I was longing for a circle of people that would really respond to the most inner calling of my heart, to not be afraid to go to the depths of spirituality and to communicate really without any shields and any protections, just heart from heart, soul to soul. But I had always sort of like put this idea to the side because I didn't feel ready or brave enough to initiate such kind of thing. I tried to join a lot of events and even a few women's circles, but I didn't. They were amazing, but not completely what I was searching for. And now, 1 month ago, I felt that this was time, and I posted an invitation, like a very open one. I am calling the women of my tribe, my soul sisters, who want to meet and connect and do the work they do themselves, the spiritual work for Earth, for the universe. Just do our part as a light workers and as a circle. So yesterday we had the first meeting, and even 7 amazing souls reached out to me, and they all turned out to be so similar and so compatible. It really felt meant to be. And we had an amazing time yesterday, introducing and getting to know each other, and then having a connection circle, holding each other's hands, opening our hearts. So we had a spectacular time. I'm really, really grateful and happy, but also I am now tired because after such strong events, usually I need some time for the next or even the next few days to recover. It's, I guess, just my nature. I am at the same time a very big loner and a person who also longs for that heart connection. So I'm really trying to have them both in balance. I have different ways on helping myself on such days. It is the ceremonial cacao, sports, Wim Hof breathing, reading a spiritual book, everything that raises the vibration and helps to ascend above the merely physical reality to the eternal one. But if that doesn't help, which sometimes happens, then I simply accept it and wade it through. Then I just do the more earthy things. Listen to music, dance, and then I feel how the vibration with time rises back again without, paying too much attention to it and simply allowing all those ups and downs to naturally happen. So yeah, this is one of the biggest news that happened recently. So my plan for the summer is to continue on doing those heart projects of mine, but also to dedicate really my inner feelings to freedom, to not plan where it's not necessary, to not create any strict structures, simply practice as much as I can to be in this moment, to humbly observe, to humbly listen to my intuition and the universe, because very often in all those buzz of our thoughts, it just doesn't have the tiniest gap to slip in. So I want to create the space for universe to teach me even deeper, and for spontaneous ideas and revelations and inspiration to come, to put my ego aside, to put my expectations and fears aside, and completely trust the moment and see where it leads. I invite the spirit of cacao, Mother Earth, and I ask for strength, for fearlessness, and for union between my body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for watching, my dearest souls. And remember, nothing is too important, big or small in life, because you are always eternal, whole and full. Blessed be. See you soon, my loves.